Hi there, and welcome to my channel. My name is CPA Dennis Lumaded, and today I have a video on basic Excel formulas and functions. And after you have been able to enter data to Excel, both using tables and entry forms, it's now the time to shift gears and get to learn the basic operations for the tables. These are basically mathematical formulas and functions. So I'll start with the basic ones, like you can see on the table here. We'll go through the formula, the description, short description, of course, and then we take a small step to get the result. So for the first one, we have add, and this basically used to add two or more values and uses the plus sign. So the trick and the easiest thing in Excel formulas is that all formulas start with an equal sign. So what you are supposed to do is to hit the equal sign and say you want to add value A plus value B plus value C. Hit enter and you have the result. The second one is subtract, and this is used to find the difference between two or more values and uses the minus sign. So in this case, we have three values. So we can say, remember you start with the equal sign. You want to get the difference between A minus B minus C. Click enter and you have your result there. The third one is multiplication, and is used to multiply two or more values and uses the star sign. So remember you start with equal. You want to multiply value A times value B times value C. Hit enter and you have your result with you. The next one is how to divide values in Excel, and this uses the slash sign. So you can say, remember to start with equal sign, value A divided by value B divided by value C. Hit enter and you have your result. The next one is how to get a sum, and this one is used to get a total of a given range. So what you say, remember to start with equal, then type in sum, then you can double click on it because it's the first one there. Then you choose the given range. You want this range, the sum of this given range. Hit enter and you have the result. View. The next one is mean, and this one is used to get the minimum value from a selected range. So remember, if you have to get the minimum value for value A here, B or C, you just come here. Remember, all Excel formulas start with equal sign. So you type in minimum, mean. So the first one comes there, you select it, then you now come and select the range. You want to find the minimum for this range. Hit enter and you get the minimum figure for this range there is 4. The next one is max, and this one is used to get the maximum value from a selected range. Remember to start with the equal sign and say max, and double click on it, choose the range. So what's the maximum? Hit enter and you have your result. Then the next one is count, and is used to count the number of values in a given or a selected range. So remember to start with equal sign, then type in count, double click on count, select the range and hit enter, and you find that these are only 3 counts of these cells. The next one is average, and this one is used to calculate the mean. So what you do is remember to start with the equal sign, type in average, and you see it's the second one here. And now you have to select the range of the figures you want an average from, hit enter, and you have the figure with you. And you can see this is 7 plus 3, 3 plus 5 plus 7, that is 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So the next one is median, and this one is used to get the middle value of a given range. Remember to start with equal sign and say median. Double click on it, select the range, and click enter, and you find the median or the middle value is 6. Then you have the next one is concatenate, and this one is used to combine text values, and that's why I use text values here. So what you do, remember to set the equal sign and type in concatenate, double click on it. But now this one, you have to use the commas to separate as you join the text. So you say A, comma, B, comma, C, hit enter, and you have now combined the 3 values in form of text. Then the next one is countif, and this one is used to count the number of a given value from a range of data. So let's say you want to count the number of ones in this given data. So what you say or what to do, remember to set the equal sign and type in countif, double click on it. Now you need to select the range. You want to count the number of ones from this range, then hit comma, then now give the criteria, that is 1, then hit enter, and you find the number of ones from the selected cell is or range is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the final one is how to get the time now. So the current time, and this one returns to you the current time and date. So what you do is hit equal sign, type in now, double click on it, then use the closing bracket, then hit enter, and you find that it will give you that today is 27th of January 2022, and the time now is 22:30. So I thank you for your time, and I appreciate your views in the previous first and second videos. And for those who have not been able to view them, this is an opportunity to welcome you to my channel and request that you subscribe for these and more tips. Thank you.